day, class. All stand up, hands up, down, up, down. Okay. We have Igbo language. Repeat after me. We have what? Igbo language. Yes. Today's date is 28th June 2024. Our topic says preposition. Say it. Preposition. Yes. In Igbo you call it mbuuzo. Mbuuzo. Preposition. Mbuuzo in Igbo. We are going to look into about 15 prepositions. But we are going to take it one after the other. Number one is in front. Or say in front. In front means nihu, nihu or niru. In Igbo, in front means nihu or niru, niru or nihu, depending your dialect in Igbo. Examples: look at this house and this ball. You can find out that this ball is in front of the house. This ball is in front of the house. Yes. Let's see the sentence. Ball is in front of the house. Ball is in front of the house. If I ask you now, class, where is this ball? You will say that ball is in front of the house. Another example. It is in front of the house. It is in front of the house. Meaning in Igbo, bọọlụ dị n'iru maọbụ n'ihu ụlọ. Bọọlụ dị n'iru maọbụ n'ihu ụlọ. If I ask you, kedu ebe bọọlụ dị? Isi m, bọọlụ dị n'iru maọbụ n'ihu ụlọ. Meaning, ball is in front of the house. Another one says, ọ dị n'iru ụlọ. Ọ dị n'iru ụlọ. Meaning, it is in front of the house. Know it that in front in Igbo it means n'ihu or n'iru. N'ihu or n'iru. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.